Hey guys, welcome back to my freaking channel. Today I'm gonna make a video that no one asked for, and I'm sure no one wants because you can see my entire room in this frame. But I'm gonna do a room tour video. I might just have to flex on you. Okay, let's just dig right in. Let's just dig right in. I just got a new SD card. Zoom please. 64 gigabytes. I'm feeling pretty smexy. Entering my room, you can see the schmutz under the bed, but we're gonna ignore that until we get to the bed. First, my fanny pack. This feels weird. My tiny backpack. All my hats. And my tiny scarf. One of 3. This is super exciting so far. Okay, moving on to the desk. Oh my god, that's the tripod I've been looking for hours. Good thing I just now located it. This is my schmutz bin, where I put all my schmutz. As you can see, I have a face mask down there. We have a car mount that I could be using to vlog in my car, but I don't. Some lotion for my dry cracked hands, and all of my college stuff. And what is that? Better Home and Gardens. So that's good. We have all the letters for my graduation party that I have to write thank you letters for in my... Here, I'm gonna just do a jump shot really quick. A jump cut to something important. This is just a jump cut to showcase my tiny Walmart shopping cart. We'll just get some dynamic zooms around it and stuff. I have made a whole video about this tiny shopping cart. If you want to watch it, click right there. Okay, back to the juicy stuff. So we have my laptop right here that I just unplugged, and it's on top of my super grimy, dirty, disgusting desk that I have water stains all over because I used to paint on this desk and I literally ruined it. Then we have my glasses. Jump cut to me wearing my glasses. We also have my knitting. I'm currently knitting my mom a scarf. I think it'll be done by fall time. This has taken about 2 or 3 months. So hopefully it's done by Christmas. I'm hoping for the best but expecting the worst. Then we have my PlayStation remote. I'm just going to do a jump cut to show you how I use my PlayStation remote. Then over here I like to keep all my USB plugs that I don't know what this is. I think this is for my sorry guys. I think this one's for my wireless mouse. I don't know what that is. This is from my witch picks, which I'll show you later. It has all my witch picks. And this is oh my god, can my camera stay still? And this is an SD. Oh, is it an SD card? Is this what that's called? Hard drive? I don't know. It's something. Then we have this tiny thing that looks like a shoelace, but it's really my Polaroid string. And then I like to keep some chapsticks close by. This one's from Urban. I got it at Urban. I bought it at Urban. I got this at Urban. So this chapstick, I got it at Urban. Here, I'll do a jump shot of my chapstick from Urban. Did you guys know that I got that chapstick from Urban Outfitters? This lip gloss came from Urban Outfitters, so you know that it's from Urban. I have my, this is good. This is Smith's Rosebud Salve. Here, I'll show it to you. Okay, lost the lid. It's like Vaseline, but in a tube. I'll just do a jump cut to me putting this on. Okay, we're going to take a break from the jump cuts for now, but this is my... Here, I'll take it out. Actually, do I need to? No. This is my camera battery charger, where I charge my camera battery. This is my phone charger, where I conveniently can plug in my phone and sit on my bed right here. Right there, and look through my phone. I lied about the jump cuts earlier. Jump cut to me using my charger right here. Okay, so we'll move this way now. This is my tiny trash can, filled with not tiny trash, but pens and pencils, for convenience. As you can see, it has wheels. I'm not going to do a jump cut for this one, but it's pretty intense. Then I have some nail polish remover. Even though I don't paint my nails, I have some nail polish remover in case I ever want to. Then there's this picture of me as a baby. I don't know how this got in here, but I was pretty damn cute. Okay, we're going too slow. This video is going to be 3 hours long. I don't know what this is, and I don't know what's on my desk. These are 2 books that I owe to the library. Yeah, that's right. I go to the library. I'm dripping sweat. See this mug? I made that shit. That's my cat Peps as a mug. And this is a tiny bear that my grandma gave me. More pens in a mug on a slab of granite. Alright. Moving up the wall, we have my framed Niall Horan art, my framed Luke Hemmings art, and my framed Luke Hemmings art part 2. It's really intense. I really have grown to love those pieces. I just love art. Okay, next I have this tiny postcard with the Great Wave on it. Really loving that. Wish it was a tapestry, but unfortunately it's just a speck in the grand scheme of my whole wall. Okay, moving up further, we have photo strips, baby. I keep them up high. I don't know why, I just like how they look up there. And then I made this little thing to hang some disposable camera pics. That's me and Peps, as you can see. It's a pretty great pic. Moving this way, I have a clock from Target. I don't think... No, the time's right. The time's right. The time's right. It's granite, as you can see. It's granite with some gold in it. Next, a really important part of my room, my witchy pics. So, Salem is a town in Massachusetts that specializes in witch-themed photo shoots, and that's what I did for my 18th birthday. I went and got those done. That's what's on this. Okay, focus. All the pics from the photo shoot. It's a really intense hard drive. Only the elite are allowed to view it, so... And then, okay, well, we're really zoomed in. Next we have, this light is awful, but we have some Polaroids hanging on a string, and a Target decor piece. Also featured on my other wall, another Target decor piece, but we'll get to that later. Next up, we're moving on to the bed where I lounge. We're keeping it real. This is my teddy bear. I bought this bad boy on Black Friday 2017. This bad boy, guess the price, guess the price. I'm going to do freeze frame right now. Did you guess the price? It was $10. This bad boy was $10, and it's awesome. Okay, why am I so out of breath? This pillow is old and gross on the inside, but this Target pillowcase really covers up the impurities it has, along with this Target comforter. That is really nice. As you can see, the other side, oh, that's just my blankie. We're going to forget that you guys saw that. But this is a pillow one of my breasties gave to me at my graduation party with a bunch of pics of me and my breasties and my breastie that gave it to me. That's a really good picture. Hold on, I'll smooth this out. This picture's just really good. That's me in a bald cap. That's her in a fake mustache. This is all my girlies. Oh. Aren't they the cutest? Wow, what a vision, honestly. Next, so my dad works in construction, and he found this in someone's basement, and they said they didn't need it, so I have this awesome picture of what I think is New York, and it's on my wall. Next, moving on to the windowsill. This part is really important to me because this is how I just keep it real, you know? So, this is a cup of water, and this is a bottle of water. I just really like to keep hydrated, and if you guys are watching this, can you see me in there? If you guys are watching this, make sure to keep hydrated, okay? Because, like, keeping hydrated is really important. Stay hydrated, alright, folks? Moving down here, we have a box, hold on, we have a box of crackers. It's full. We have a Savers tag, a little piece of a hanger, and I think some dust. It's maybe dust mites, I don't know. There's something dusty back there. Not cute. Next, we have my dirty laundry. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. This shirt is a really good shirt. Hold on, I'll just I'll just show you a sneak peek of this shirt. I think I've worn it in a video before. It's really good. Wow, could I do this a little faster, please? Yeah, basically, it's just a hairless cat. It's pretty intense. Next up is my freaking closet. Like, comment, and subscribe. No, that wasn't good. That wasn't good. Like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see a closet tour. I'm just going to give you a brief overview. Wow. This is really intense. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. It's like I just ran a marathon, but I didn't. Okay. Back to the important stuff. This is my cowboy belt that I got at Primark. Not important. But these are my clothes. This is where I keep my jackets, my scarves, my rolled up onesie. This is a onesie, a cat onesie. That's where I keep my clothes. As you can see, it's full right now. Memory box. Christmas decorations, Christmas tree. No, this is a closet tour. I can't do this to you. Because if you're going to have to like, comment, and subscribe for a closet tour. Yes, it has been 40 minutes since the last clip. Let's dig right back in, ladies. Ladies, this is my cubbies. I absolutely hate the color of these, but they didn't have any pink ones because Target was lacking that day, and Mama needed cubbies. So, cubbies. We'll start with this shelf. We have all my dried up candles back there. Those are all, I can't use them anymore because they're dried up. Then we have some boxes. This one has hoops in it. This one has stuff in it. This is a donut. Shout out to Katie. She knows who she is, and she made that donut. Next we have this plastic champagne glass. Yummy, a burp. Some spray for my car that's not in my car. And some deodorant because Mama likes to smell good. Up here we have my half-drink water bottle. Half-drunk. You know what's up. This scrunchie, that's my fave scrunchie. Some more jewelry. This is earrings. Look at these cool earrings. Would you believe? Burlington Coat Factory. Yes, sister. Then we'll move down here. Those are some book series. We have 2 Harry Potter books, 3 Harry Potter books, the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy, The Hobbit, the entire Hunger Games trilogy, and a book from school that I never returned. So hopefully my school doesn't see this. Then we have some cotton candy, a tiny camel, and something I made in ceramics. Then this not really important shelf with some more books and some Clorox wipes. The shelf's really important. This is where I house my money jar, where I save money. This is all my tips from my job. Wow, this part's really exciting. This is a ceramic cat I made that used to have 3 tails, and now it only has 2, so that's really sad. There's also this mug that I made that has lips and a tongue, and it has a hole, so it spouts out through the hole. Oh, the middle shelf. This is a good shelf. So this is my PlayStation. That used to be my dad's PlayStation, but you know, times change. We have Napoleon Dynamite, Twilight Eclipse, Twilight Breaking Dawn, Deadpool, Breakfast Club, Little Monsters. Yeah, that would be a Kevin James 3-movie collection. Coraline, Step Brothers. Oh, my Will Ferrell 3-movie collection. Yeah, I'm a big fan of 3-movie collections. The 5 Sauce movie. Where's the One Direction movie? Lost. And then 2 awesome scrapbooks. And then I'm not going to get into these bins because there's a lot of schmutz in them. Next, this bin. I've been trying to collect tiny stuff that I need for college in here. So I have like little non-essential things ready and it's already full. So I'm struggling. I'm struggling on that one. Almost done, girlies. We're almost done. Let's stick it out. Actually, we're not that close to done. We have my schmutz corner, where I have a mirror. Let's see if you can see my foot in there. Yep. A mirror, a reusable shopping bag, a vision board that I haven't touched, a guitar that I haven't touched, some Halloween decorations. Can you see those? Some Halloween decorations, some makeup storage, a Target bag. This is where I put all my bags from shopping in there. I think we'll move up to the shelves next. Okay, awesome shadow. This is a shelf. Friend Emily gave me these, so I put them on my shelf. This is some friendship soup. Thinking about cooking that up in the future. This is an R, and that is me and Peps in a Polaroid picture. Mama is tired. Can you see my face? I'm tired. I really am. Anyways, this is my board. Do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. Oprah. Really inspiring. A heart. Neon sign. This, I'm going to show you this. First I'll show you this. That's when my school, my art club, went to Maine. So that's awesome. This little jar is for when I went to Maine with my family. We went to Old Orchard Beach. See? In Maine. And guess what? That sand I took straight from Old Orchard Beach. Next. My dresser. Ooh, ready? Undies. Jammies. Jammies part 2. Workout clothes. Short. This is where I keep my hair things in this tiny glass jar. We also have some very essential pony bead bracelets, like this one that I made for Harry Styles. There's a pretty good one down here, actually. This one says, skirt. I thought that said ka-chow. And then down there, that one says shit on it. Shit. What does that say? Shit stain? Shits. Yeah, I think that one just says shits. And then that one says jumbo. There's my paycheck. We're not going to look at that. From my real job, not YouTube, unfortunately. This is my fave candle. Since this video is getting so boring, I'm going to do a jump cut and tell you about my favorite candle. This is my fave candle. This is from Yankee Candle. It smells like, juicy citrus and sea salt. Yeah, that's my favorite candle. Let's put it back. We're moving up here, girlies. We have some framed pictures. These are all kind of old, but I've had this for so long. And then we have some dust, as you can see. Maybe you can see that cobweb up there. Some dust over here. Yeah, that's from Target, the dollar section. This little thing, also from Target. I think I keep sanitizer in here. Chapstick. Chapstick isn't that one. This is one pair of sunglasses and a bunch of sanitizer. Okay, so we're going to move on to the last part of my room that I'm going to show you guys, which is this awesome... This is not the first dollar I made. This is actually just $1 that I framed. For the laughs, of course. It's the first dollar I framed, you could say. We really love that. That's it for today's video. Ooh, I have a good outro. Ready? That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time on my freaking... Ooh, should I do some ASMR? Okay. I'll see you next time on my freaking channel. That was gross. Okay, bye guys. This is my outro song. This is my outro song. Ooh, copyright. I don't want to get copyrighted. This is my outro song.